Acorns Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'll provide an honest review of Acorns, an investment app designed to help you save and invest effortlessly. Acorns is tailored for beginners and busy individuals who want to start investing without diving into the complexities of the stock market. The app automates investing by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change, making it an excellent choice for those who struggle to set aside money for investments. With features like portfolio diversification, automatic rebalancing, and a user-friendly interface, Acorns aims to simplify the investment process for everyone. One of the standout features of Acorns is its unique Roundups feature, which collects your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it into a diversified portfolio based on your risk preference. This allows you to invest without even thinking about it. Additionally, Acorns offers a feature called Found Money, where select brands invest a portion of your purchase back into your Acorns account when you shop with their partners, creating an even more seamless way to grow your investment. Acorns provides a variety of investment portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, ensuring you can find an option that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The app also offers educational resources, including articles and videos, which are perfect for users new to investing and looking to increase their financial literacy. However, it's essential to note the subscription fees associated with Acorns. The app offers 3 pricing tiers, starting with a $3 monthly fee for the personal plan and going up to $5 for the family plan, which allows you to invest for kids as well. While these fees may be reasonable for the services offered, they can add up, especially for users with smaller investment amounts. Overall, Acorns is an excellent tool for anyone looking to dip their toes into investing without overwhelming complexity. It's user-friendly, innovative, and provides a practical way to save and invest seamlessly. If you're someone who finds it challenging to save or invest, Acorns can help you build wealth over time with minimal effort. Before you commit, consider your financial goals and whether the subscription fees align with your investment strategy. That wraps up this review. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. Happy investing!